Coming to one of the another historical text, I received this Morphe power capsule from one of the PR companies. I don't remember now, and I don't know how they contacted me or something like that, and because after this one they never contacted me again, so I don't know what happened to the company. And then I don't see a lot of Morphe products in South Africa as of now, so but this one is really special to me, because this is my only Morphe product, because I've seen a lot of products on Your Average Consumer website, on an Average Consumer YouTube videos. So let's see what the box contains, and let's unbox. So it's a really nice elliptical, really soft to touch box, which has a button where you can check as to what is the battery capacity currently. So this is able to hold a lot of current, because I don't charge them regularly. And so this is the case which we can open, and then it has a type C where you can put your cable, and then you can charge your earphones, headphones, or maybe watch or something like that, using the capacity of this particular box. So let's see what the box contains. So it says Morphe loves you, which is really nice, and so this is really a very nice packaging. And if we check the box for more of the features, it has 1.0 ampere high output charging, then it has a USB charge port, it's really compact size, and then it has pass-through charging. So pass-through charging means that you can keep this charging as well as it charges another device also. So it says that it can charge, it can charge wireless earbuds up to 60 more hours, as well as fitness trackers for more 55 days. So basically the battery capacity is 1400 milliampere in this power capsule, and it has a micro USB cable which comes also along with the case. So I don't know where I have kept this the cable of this thing, but I'll now show you as to whether it charges nicely or not. So I have these PowerBuds 3 from Huawei, which I have kept in this nice case, which is I really like. So it matches with this thing, that's why I brought it. So let's try to put the cable. I'm sorry because I only got this long cable, otherwise you can put a small one also. And let's try to connect the thing, and let's see if it charges. So basically the device should get charged if so as I switch it on, it starts getting charged, and it will be able to charge this device completely, like many times. Based on 1400 milliampere, it will be able to charge it at least twice easily. And to tell you, this is really, and you can keep the device inside if it has, and then you can close it if it's small size. I have traveled using this one to India last year, and then I was charging some other headphones using the same, because this one I only got last year. So before that I was using the other ones. Another best thing about this one is that you can put your type A kind of, you can put anything which has type C or type mini USB. You can charge any of the devices using the 1400 milliampere battery it has, and then you can charge the device itself using a mini USB port. And then there's nothing else other than this one on this thing, and the chain is really nice, and it will keep your device safe, as well as it will give it power also if you want to use it. And then it's really handy, and then you can throw it in your backpack, and it's definitely going to, the case is really nice, and then it's definitely going to keep your device safe. Your earphones or your watches or whatever, it's going to keep them safe. And this is really a nice gadget from Morphe, and I'm really looking forward to buying more of Morphe products in future if I go to States, or if I found them here. So thank you Morphe for sending this one, and I'm really grateful for the power capsule. Thanks a lot.